Which one of these two numbers do you think is larger? The square root of 2 or the cube root of 3? Today we are going to dive into the world of radicals and find out the answer. Let's get started. Here we have root 2 and here we have cube root of 3. Suppose if we have a square root of x, we can write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 2, isn't it? So similarly, root 2 we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. If we have a cube root of x, we can write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So this cube root of 3 also we can write it as 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now observe the bases and the indices. Our bases are 2 and 3. That means our bases are different. Let's observe the indices. Our indices we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. These two also different. There is no common. So in this case what we have to do? There is two most convenient ways. Either rewrite the index. So the indices of the two numbers are equal. We can compare the base. What's the large base? Then that is our larger number. Or we can rewrite as the numbers so that the bases are same. Then we can compare the indices. Here I am going to take the indices are equal. Our indices are 1 over 2, 1 over 3. If you take for the 2 and 3 LCM, the LCM is 6, isn't it? So let's take two indices as common. So use this LCM. If you multiply here 3 over 3, then you will get 2 raised to the power of 1 times 3 is 3 over 2 times 3 is 6. So here the LCM is 6. Now same like that, to get here also 3 raised to the power of, here also if you get the denominator as 6, you need to multiply with 2 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 3 times 2 is 6. Now 2 raised to the power of 3 over 6, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m over n. We can write this as a power m whole power 1 over n. Similarly, this term we can write as 2 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 over 6. So let's write it here. So 2 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 over 6. Same like that, here also we can write it as 3 raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 1 over 6. Now 2 raised to the power of 3 is nothing but 8 only. So let's take only 8. 3 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but 9. So let's take 9. Now here our indices are same. So when indices are same, we can compare the bases. So here 8 and 9. So which number is larger? 9 is the larger. That means cube root of 3 is the larger number compared to root 2. Like that, either you can equal the indices or equal the bases. This we can write it as 6th root of 8 and this we can write it as 6th root of 9. And 6th root of 9 is larger than 6th root of 8. That means root 2 is less than cube root of 3. So cube root of 3 is the larger number compared to root 2. Thank you for watching.